Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank. Have your forecast for today and for the entire week. And we're going to see a lot of changes coming up this week. Like many weeks, we've seen lots of changes over the last few months, that's for sure. June 2018, though, has been a wonderful month. I don't know if you agree, but I think it's been just awesome. We've had some beautiful temperatures out there, lots of great weather. The only downside has been really very dry, and the lawns and gardens are starting to dry up, and they need some rain. It looks like some rain is going to be happening later today. So after the last couple of cool days, which we've seen below average temperatures, that's pretty much brought the mean temperature for the month at minus 0.5 degrees, so almost flat. But we have one more week to go, and we're going to be adding some red squares on there, so I think we're going to go into the plus column here when it's all is said and done, and June is terminated and completed next Saturday. Well, if you're going to Fenway Park this afternoon, you shouldn't have any problem with showers or storms. At this point, anyway, it looks like the showers and storms will not develop until after the game is over. Unless the game went really, really long, then that all bets off. But if it goes a traditional of approximately 3 hours, we should be done with everything and everybody out of there before showers and storms are up. So we'll be turning more humid this afternoon, and there'll be a little bit of sun trying to peek through the clouds as it goes to the upper 70s, near 80 degrees in many locations with these highs, as you can see. The wind will be slight out of the south and southeast along the coast. Inland areas, winds south-southwest around 10-15 miles an hour. It's going to be turning more humid this afternoon as we go right into moderate to then high humidity. The second half of the afternoon and much of tonight is going to be quite muggy out there, supporting those showers and storms. And even tomorrow morning, it's still going to be rather humid, but then it dries out, especially farther north and west of Boston. The air is going to be really refreshing tomorrow, and then it'll take till later in the day before that dry air pushes down into southeastern Massachusetts, and we have a refreshing night, lovely for sleeping for Monday night, and Tuesday and Wednesday will be the pick days of the week. Okay, let's take a look and see what's going on here as we check out the clouds for today. They're going to try to break up a little bit, and they'll do so in spots, but it's no widespread clearing, nothing that's going to be indicating a lot of bright sunshine, but some areas will see some of it. As we go through the day, note the timestamp up here, always in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You can see by late afternoon the showers and storms are erupting out in here. They'll press eastward, so by 7 o'clock, they're certainly in the Boston area. It looks like it would be supportive, at least with these colors, of severe weather, although I don't think we'll have any parameters to make severe weather in terms of widespread wind damage and or hail damage. I don't think that's going to happen. But certainly enough, this is really reflective of what's going to be coming from as far as precipitation. And it looks like it could be some pretty good downpours of rain. Of course, there could be some dangerous lightning involved in some of these storms as well. Maybe some gusts of wind, but probably just under gusts that would cause any damage. They would also press southeastward across the Cape later this evening. Another batch of showers and storms may pop up off to the northwest as the next system dives in from Canada, and that'll cross northern Massachusetts, maybe a few into Boston, but certainly along the Maine and New Hampshire coast in the early morning hours. Then that'll go out to sea. That's the end of that. However, there'll be enough unstable air to cause a few more scattered showers tomorrow, so we're sort of in an unsettled couple of days here. As far as the amount of rain goes, that'll be variable from place to place, but some places could get more than an inch in the Boston area and westward and northward in some of these heavier storms coming in for this evening. So low temperatures tonight, mid-60s or so. It's going to be a muggy night. Tomorrow, it'll be rather muggy and then drying off in the afternoon, as I mentioned. But along the coast, not much temperature rise because the wind's going to come in from the ocean, be in the mid-60s or so, with lots of clouds in eastern Massachusetts, the greatest amount of sunshine in western Mass tomorrow, and therefore the highest temperatures in the 70s. If you're going to the beach today, I don't think you have to be worried about showers or storms at the beaches until very late this afternoon, or if you're going to be there into the evening hours. Temperature around 73, a light breeze in from the ocean. We've got high tides 9:30 in the morning and about low tide 3:30 this afternoon. Cape and the Islands will have the showers, but most of those showers and storms will be happening later this evening, say from about after 9 o'clock on. Shouldn't be any rain before then. Tomorrow there might be a brief shower with a lot of clouds and maybe just limited sunshine. Up in the lakes region and the mountains for today, some scattered showers may break out, and there could be a few more scattered showers tomorrow. It's going to be Tuesday and Wednesday, which will be the nice days, and that air is going to be coming in from the west, and initially it's going to be nice dry air, so beautiful conditions Tuesday and Wednesday with low humidity. Wednesday will start to get cloudier later in the afternoon, and this disturbance here will come through and give us some showers and storms on Thursday. We may get another batch of reasonable rain, perhaps hopefully beneficial rain on Thursday. Then this bulge here in the pattern, that's a big ridge of high pressure. If that builds strongly, like there are indications it's going to do now, it's going to be really hot here as we get into the weekend. So hot that we may be closer to 100 degrees in spots, especially away from any potential sea breezes which may develop each day. Boston's last time it got to 100 is July 22nd, 2011, 103. July 7th, 2010, it was 100. Now, 100 wouldn't be achieved in Boston if we do get some daily sea breezes forming along the coast. But much of the area will be baking this weekend and really sizzling into the following week. So we'll watch that as this heat wave forms. But there you go, Tuesday and Wednesday, lovely days. Showers and storms with some locally heavy rain on Thursday. Humid and getting hotter, near 90 on Friday, and into the 90s at least this upcoming weekend. That's your forecast for now. Have a nice week.